divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before I jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by EVA Wigs. So thank you so much EVA Wigs for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so I did want to let you guys know that this is going to be a full-on in-depth tutorial on how I apply this wig, and it's super beginner friendly. That's one thing that I already know I love about this wig. So spoiler alert, this unit is super effortless and it's super easy for beginners. Like, anybody will be able to slay this wig, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys from start to finish how I get to this point. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how I simply effortlessly slayed this unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. So today we have a unit from EVA Wigs. This is the box, and I think it's super cute how they have the little metallic EVA in the corner. Now I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys for the first time. So it comes with the hair, a user manual, as well as the comb, and it also says EVA Wigs. I didn't show it, but it does say EVA on there. An elastic band, as well as a wig cap. So all of those things are really useful, and also bobby pins. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the wig and open it up. So you guys are gonna see my reaction to this unit fresh out of the bag. So yeah, I think this unit is absolutely gorgeous. Like, you guys, look at that wave. Like, look at how gorgeous it is. So as you guys can see, it's like a, I don't know, like, it's like a loose water wave or natural wave. I don't know how to really describe it. I'm not gonna describe it, but anyways, here's the cap construction. So it does have soft lace, and this is a full lace unit, and it does come with 3 combs in the front, and it has no comb in the back, but it does have lace in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. And I'm gonna show you guys the parting space that it already came with. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in and fix that later, so don't worry about that. But yeah, this is how the unit looks on to my head with nothing done to it. So the waves are really gorgeous, and I'm just showing you guys like kind of like a close-up of the parting. So like I said, I'll be fixing the parting later on. But anywho, I wanted to show you guys where it falls on me, and I believe this is a 22 inch. It will be in the description box below. It does fall at about 22 inches like it says. So here is the hairline. So the hairline does come pre-plucked, as you guys can see, and it looks really good. I know it looks crazy right now because the lace is still on, but it does look really, really good. I was able to tell. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys me cutting off the lace. I like to use smaller scissors so that I can be more precise when I'm cutting the lace. I don't always do this, but I like to do it, especially when I'm doing human hair wigs, because you don't want to F it up. So yeah. So I'm just going and I'm cutting the lace, and I'm not cutting it exactly at the hairline. I'm cutting it a little bit before that, just in case I want to adhere it down or something. I feel like it looks more natural when you leave a little bit of lace in the front. So that's how I'm cutting it, and I'm hoping that's a good description. So now I'm just showing you guys that it is a full lace unit, so you can part it anywhere, as you guys can see. I'm just showing you guys that really quickly. So now I'm just going to cut off the lace that it came with in the back. And that's really good versatility. So if you want to put your unit up in a bun or something, or a ponytail, you can. And I'm just showing you guys the inside of the cap. So the cap is constructed really, really well, as you guys can see. So that's another plus. We have a lot of pluses with this unit. So I am going to go in and cut the comb out just because I didn't want it there. I felt like it was going to make my parting a little bit different. But honestly, I did try before I cut it off. But I was like, I just want it off anyways, because I never use that middle comb. So yeah, it's completely up to you. So now we are going to go in and fake like we bleached the knots. And I'm going to use the Maybelline 360 matte foundation to do that. And so I'm just going to start off by applying the foundation, and then I'm going to go in with the powder, and then to set it, kind of like a setting spray for your makeup. But for this wig, I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Glue hairspray to kind of like set everything in place, and so it won't like bleed really bad on there. So yeah, I'll just let you guys kind of watch that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and work on the parting. So I'm just gonna fix the middle part and just wear it in the middle part. That is the part that it came with, so I was like, I'll just go with that one. So I'm gonna go in with this Tresemme heat protecting spray because I'm gonna flatten the parting a little bit with a random curling wand that I just picked up. So yeah, I'm just gonna flatten it just so that it could look a little, you know, more flat and nice. And then I'm gonna go back in with that setting powder and define the part a little bit more. I personally think it looks good like this, but if you want it whiter, you can go ahead and go in and pluck it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some mousse, and this is conditioning moisturizing mousse, which I think it will be really good for the hair, because I think it's good when you add moisture to the hair. It just makes it look really nice and healthy, and it really makes those curls pop. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look, you know, after I added the mousse on one side. And of course I'm going to go in and add it on the other side, but I just want you guys to kind of see the difference. But yeah, overall I am really feeling this unit, divas, and I think that it's super easy to just go ahead and put on. I feel like all of these steps are super easy, and this is the final outcome, and I'm really liking it. You guys definitely comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have seen me style this wig and everything, I am here to give you guys my first impressions, because obviously this is the first day of me wearing the unit, so I can't give you guys like a full-on review. I will come back with a full-on review, but I'm just gonna give you guys pretty much my first impressions. So number one, I do want to give it to EVA Wigs. Like, this unit was super easy to slay out of the pack. As you guys can see, all I had to do was cut off the lace and add my foundation powder and flatten the part a little bit. I did go in and cut out the comb that was in the middle, just because I never used that comb and I didn't want any problems when I try to part the wig down the middle. So that's why I went in and cut the comb out, but that's completely optional. You don't have to do that. I believe you can part it with it in there, but I just wanted to make sure that I was able to do what I wanted to do, so that's why I went in and cut it out, but it's not really necessary. So once again, the style I have is SKU number YU-001, and it's in the color Natural Black, and I have it in the 22-inch length, which kind of falls on me like a 24, because if you guys don't know, I am a shorty. So yeah, that's why it falls a little bit longer on me, but I really do like that. Like, I just feel like this hair is just so ready for, like, it's just giving me vacation vibes, beach vibes. It's just so freaking pretty and effortless. Like, I cannot believe how effortless this is. So anywho, let me go ahead and tell you guys my first impressions. So with this unit, I did experience a little bit of a shedding, but hardly any tangling, which is really good because of the simple fact that this is a longer unit, and it does have kind of like a, I don't know if it's like a, I don't know, it doesn't say on here like whether it's like body wave. To me, it's like a loose wave, like a loose water wave, if you will. Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like to me. It looks like loose water wave, but I really do like it. But yeah, like I said, I did get a little bit of shedding, but hardly any tangling. I just absolutely love how easy it was to style this hair, and just, it's just so beginner friendly, and it's just so like ready to go out the box. Like, I love a wig like this, especially when it gets heating up, because you know, you don't want to do too much. Like, you just want to look good. Like, it's already enough that you got to beat your face. Like, you just want that wig that you can just put on and go. Another thing I really like about this unit is the fact that it is like a full lace unit. So you can like part it back here. I didn't put any powder, that's why it looks so light, but you can like part it anywhere, like, and you'll be good to go. So I really do like the fact that it is full lace. I probably will go ahead and style it like that and use like the full lace probably a little bit later down the line, but right now I'm just here for like the effortless styles, because you know it's hot, you know, ain't nobody got time for that. But yeah, like, I really do like this unit. I feel like this unit is like just so freaking gorgeous. Like, look at these waves. Like, it's just so pretty, and I love like the wet look. That's why I went in and added my little leave-in conditioner slash mousse. I like that one because it's super lightweight, and it's conditioning, so it'll condition the hair and make sure that it's nice and moisturized, and I absolutely love that. Like, it looks so healthy and just so gorgeous. I just love, like, so far I love the hair. Obviously I can't give you guys a full opinion, but so far I'm really liking the hair. The parting space is nice, but if you are the type of person that like a wider parting space, you might want to go in and tweeze it. But for me, honestly, I do like it the way it is, and especially because they did go ahead and pluck your frontal for you, so your frontal is already looking natural, like closer to the hairline. And that's another thing I want to talk about. So the hairline looks really good. I did not adhere this wig down, like, you guys look, I did not adhere it down, and it's laying flat. Like, do you guys see how flat this wig is laying? And it's stuck onto my head. I did not add the adjustable strap, or I didn't add the adjustable straps. I just adjusted the adjustable straps, excuse me, and I did not add the elastic band that they sent. Now I will be adding it soon, because if I want to wear this to a water park, I want to make sure that my wig is not going anywhere. So I want to use the combs and the elastic band and the adjustable straps, but you don't really need it. Like, if you're not gonna wear it anywhere where you need extra security, you can definitely go in with the adjustable straps and just the combs, or even just the adjustable straps, and you will be good. But yeah, I really do like the hairline. I don't have it adhered down, but it looks really, really natural. As you guys can see, like, it's already pre-plucked for you. So you don't have to worry about it looking, you know, like coming really, really dense, which I really like that. It looks so natural. It looks so good, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, like, this wig is just, it's just ready to go. But yeah, divas, that is my first impressions. Of course, I will be coming back to give you guys more updated reviews. I will have a time where I do updated reviews on all human hair units that I have or made or anything like that. So definitely go ahead and stay tuned and subscribe if you're not already, because I will be having those videos coming up soon. But yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about this. I absolutely love their packaging as well. They come with, you know, a wig cap, a comb, as well as adjustable straps and bobby pins. I feel like everything, and the user manual, you guys seen what it came with, but all the things that it came with are very useful. They didn't send anything that wasn't useful, and I do like the extra touch that they did add into their packaging. So that is really, really nice. So kudos to them for that, because not everybody you see going out of their way to make sure that their products are like really elegant and classy and nice. So yeah, so far I am loving the hair. I cannot wait to wear it and just like just go and slay, because, and this is like a simple slay, I just can't wait to wear it out and see how much I love it, or whatever, however I'm gonna feel about it. But so far I am absolutely in love with it. I just love the effortlessness. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave a link down in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check out for this unit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have found this video very helpful and easy to follow. If you guys did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to communicate with you lovely divas and know what you guys think, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous, fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.